Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Chevrolet Impala LT. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 148,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.